My name is Craig Baldy and I'm the Managing Director here at Lion New Zealand. As New Zealand's biggest alcohol company, we believe we need to play a leading role in shaping a positive and healthy drinking culture. Unfortunately, drinking alcohol doesn't come with a manual, so we tend to rely on our own experiences or guidance from peers or parents, which isn't always the best help. And that's where Alcohol&Me comes in, a Lion founded and funded program that helps educate Kiwis on how to drink alcohol safely and moderately. Alcohol&Me has been around since 2013 and has gone from strength to strength ever since. I'm really pleased that everyone in New Zealand is now having the opportunity to be exposed to this great program.
Hi, I'm Jude Walter and I'm the Program Manager for Alcohol&Me. Alcohol&Me is a highly informative, practical program that gives people access to tools and real life experiences so they can make the decisions that are right for them when it comes to drinking alcohol. This is not about making people drink less or drink more. At Alcohol&Me, we're all about making people drink smarter, not harder. While the internet is full of information, what we know from research and first-hand experience is that lots of people find it more confusing than useful. They don't know what to believe. With Alcohol&Me, we've done the hard work for people. We've paired up with experts like health professionals, social anthropologists, dietitians, drug and alcohol experts to actually distill down all of the information into easy, bite-sized chunks of practical information people can use every day. Our Alcohol&Me quizzes and our resources are all available online free of charge to New Zealanders. For businesses, Alcohol&Me can be delivered online or via a workshop with an Alcohol&Me facilitator who uses a range of techniques including quizzes, videos, demonstrations and group activities to cater for people's different learning styles. If you're interested in signing up for an Alcohol&Me workshop in your workplace, we've got several options available. Alcohol&Me is about giving people easy access to the information that can help them understand how alcohol affects their body and their mind. We're all about helping people to stay safe and sociable if they choose to drink.